Hi, my name is Leslie and I'm an international yoga teacher currently living in Bali, Indonesia. I've had alopecia for over 15 years and I've been coming to Nazi here at Newport Hair Loss Center for over 6 years now. I purchased a new beautiful wig. It's Amani hair and it's a medical cap. So I'm really excited. I had shorter hair for a while, but I've been traveling all over the world actually, and it's been a lifesaver. I have a really active lifestyle, so I scuba dive, I climb mountains, and I'm in extreme weather. And my wig has been with me through it all. No hassles, no worries. The color has maintained, the quality. So it's something that has really allowed me to continue living this lifestyle even with alopecia. And now I absolutely love this one. It's longer and I feel like I can do anything with it. So thank you so much to everyone at Newport Hair Loss Center.